What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video, and I have here a screen installation from a company called Natubeau or Natubeau. I hope I'm not mispronouncing it, but I think it goes by the name of Natubeau. So real quick, they sent this out. They wanted me to try and get maybe you guys want to hear my opinion about their product. Now, it is 9H on the hardness scale. Pause. Anti-scratch. Easy installation, has HD clarity, and is highly sensitive to touch. Again, it talks about the company on the back and their product, and they also tell you what's inside of the box real quickly. It does have the tempered glass screen protectors, which is natural, installation guide, alcohol cleaning wipes with a dry wipe, and a dust absorbent sticker. And I think it's supposed to have some kind of guard to help with the installation. So, real quick. So they do give you like some stickers, complimentary from the company. Extra benefits, they got 100% money back replacement guarantee. If it's wrong size, defective, damage, air bubbles, missing parts, poor quality, or unsatisfactory. You got 3 stickers, cleaning kits, and they give you 3 tempered glass. All right, so let's get to it. Wipe everything down real quick. Make sure you clean. Use this cloth to go over it to dry. Use the sticker. Regardless of whether or not you see any lint, you should use this to go over the entire screen, regardless of whether you see anything there. They do come with these guide stickers you can place on the side of the screen protector in a book form and fold it over. What you do is you line everything up. Once you line it up, fold the stickers over. So you make sure you got everything lined up perfectly the way you like it. Fold back, peel, and then fold back this way. Once everything's lined up, you can make any adjustments you may see just by eyeing it. These type of screen protectors, you can refit, lift it. So don't just go for that first initial setup where you use the guide. But by all means, make sure that it is aligned perfectly around the edges. Once you do that, this screen protector should go right on without any kind of problem. Real quick, I'm going to check out screen sensitivity. So screen sensitivity is not affected by this tempered glass. Screen protector does come very close to the edges, so be very careful what type of cases you have. If any type of case that overlaps onto the screen, these type of screen protectors can get pushed around a little bit. So that pretty much does it for the installation of the Natubeau tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you have any questions, leave that down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave all your questions down there also. And again, I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.
Yeah, yeah.